Hey y'all, it's Diane. So I decided I wanted to do something oceany like. And so I am going to use SOHO Aquamarine Blue, Naples Yellow by Artist Loft. This, I believe, is a craft paint. I cannot remember the name of it, but I like it. It's oceany. And then I'm going to use Deco Art Americana Laguna. And I might use some of this green-blue interference from Golden. Not sure yet. I've got to see what I know what it does, but with each paint it's a little different. And then I'm going to use SOHO Gold for a metallic in there. I am using the Master's Touch 8x16. They will be on sale next week because every other week Hobby Lobby puts their canvases on sale. And their canvases, and this is just the classic collection, not even the expensive one. Their canvases are really good. So I highly recommend those. Let me get everything ready and I'll be right back. 2 dirty pour cups. I did them differently. If you watch this entire video, I used the same colors in different orders, and this is what I got. And we'll see it in the daylight tomorrow, because I always usually film at night. That's pretty cool, those cells are there. Dig that. And then this one has a lot more cells than the other, I think, just because how I mix it. But I'm pleased with both. I like that wispiness that's naturally occurring down there. And then over here, I like the yellow. I know if I blow this out, there will be color underneath. I'm not sure, I might do that. But there's a lot more yellow in this, and I love that Naples yellow. So yeah. So we will see in the morning. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the button next to it so you can be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching.